Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting proof immediately because TikTok reviews faster with evidence. First, export the live recording and save chat logs and screenshots that show context. Once done, note the exact ban notification timestamp and any guideline messages you received. Next, open the TikTok app, go to your profile, then Settings right arrow report a problem. Choose the live ban category and attach files. You're initiating the formal appeal now. This step creates the record TikTok will evaluate. You now draft a concise, factual appeal because clarity helps reviewers decide quickly. Start with your account handle, the ban date, and a one-line summary of the issue. Then explain the how and why, describe intent, relevant context, and why the content didn't violate rules. Make sure to reference attached files and timestamps so reviewers can find the moments you're disputing. Finally, request a specific outcome, lift the ban or re-review the clip, and ask for a timeline or case number if available. You finish by monitoring and following up because persistence matters. After submitting, wait 48 to 72 hours. If no response, reopen the appeal thread and politely ask for an update, attaching any new evidence. If denied and you believe it's wrong, escalate through creator support or TikTok's policy team and mention repeated errors. Make sure to document every interaction. If bans persist without explanation, consider contacting a community manager or seeking legal advice for chronic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.